Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video comparison of our Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, comparing it with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. So let's see if what is the difference when it comes to offered features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables in terms of features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin and compare the two smartwatches in terms of offered features. But before that, let's check out again the design. Then at the back, we do have the sensor here on the side and the strap. Okay. Now that we are done with the design, let's have the UI. This is our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We have notifications on top, settings and other options on the bottom part. For our Redmi Watch 5 or Realme Watch 5, we have notifications on the bottom part and settings on top and options. Again, so different layout. Okay, on the other side, we have a dashboard here for popular and common applications. On the right side, we have the widgets. I think I like the layout here of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Much better compared to our Realme Watch 5. We have a crown button here. This is rotary. You can use this to change or to navigate to the series of menus. While for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it's just a home and power button. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. The same with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So let's start comparing the UI and of course the menus. We have daily activity tracking. You also have it here. Okay, they almost have the same color here. We have the workout. We have the Bluetooth call. Let's check out the Bluetooth call for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We have the phone here. We have the favorite contacts. And we have here the Bluetooth walkie-talkie. We don't have it here in the Watch 5 Lite. We have NFC. We also don't have it here in our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. But we do have the sports. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports. More than 100 sports functions is included in both smartwatches. Both do have a support for built-in GPS. Let's check out the data here. We have the pace, the distance, the heart rate. I think they gathered the same information or metrics. Cadence. Do we have a cadence here? Okay, so we don't have a cadence here. Yes, we do have. But seems like more information is available here for our Redmi Watch 5 compared to the Realme Watch 5 compared to our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So more info for our Realme Watch 5 compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. But for the number of sports, they almost have the same number of sports. Next, we do have a running courses also. The workout records, we have vitality here. We have it here. I don't see any vitality feature, but we do have a stress and body energy. We also have it here. We have the body energy, the heart rate. I like the layout here and the animation. We have the blood oxygen. We have the stress monitoring. We have calendar. We have ambient volume, which is not available here. We have also event reminder here, alarm, stopwatch, the timer, camera control. We also have a Bluetooth music control with a volume adjustment. We have a stopwatch, calendar, timer, almost the same now for the features. For the settings, we have a watch face section. We have always on display. We have an always on display here. Cover to sleep, tap to wake. Yes, we also have here an always on display. Sound and vibration, yes, we also have it here. Display and brightness, up view. We have at least several menu styles here. For our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, I think we only have 2. Layout, yes, we only have 2 here. We have auto detect of sports, we also have it here. So cycling, elliptical. Seems like they all, how many do we have here? Okay, they almost have the same number of auto detect workout. Spin, for the password, we have it here. We don't have a pin. Battery, okay, we also have here a power saving mode, ultra battery saver, and about the watch. Let's check battery and the system about the watch. Realme Watch 5, Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Again, let's go back to the main menu. You have the workout, activity data, workout records, breathing guide, sleep monitoring here, breathing courses, we also have it here. So which do you think to have more features for the smartwatch? I check on the support app for the Realme Watch 5 and it has a lot of options for the smartwatch compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, which is using the Mi Fitness application. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features. Before we end, another feature that I like about the Realme Watch 5 is the dynamic or functional watch face. When you tap on this, it serves as a shortcut for the function. We don't have it here for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. There's no option. So that's it for the comparison review. If you have any questions regarding the Redmi Watch 5 or the Realme Watch 5 or the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.